In the last video, we talked about how you can be aware of how much time you have to work for a thing that in the future will be costing less than 10% of what you paid for, or worse, will be worthless and thrown in the garbage can. In this video, I want to share with you how even the tiniest change in your budget can help you save a lot of money per year. Remember, the reason that you're trying to reduce your costs on not so necessary things is to be able to invest more and more money in new skills that can bring you multiple monthly incomes. You can never achieve financial freedom without multiple incomes. If you ignore your money, you're wasting time that you could be using to start building wealth. I know it's hard to make these changes in the beginning, but don't be afraid to start small, because the most important part is to take action. The amount of money doesn't really matter, but the more you do it, the more you'll be able to save precious amounts of money. Someday, you'll find you even look forward to it. If you keep saving and investing, your net worth will keep expanding. The sooner you start, the faster you'll reach your goal. As you see your savings grow, it gets addictive to always take care of your spending, and it will give you motivation to save even more. Leave your emotions aside. When it comes to spending money, think that every time you buy something that you don't really need, you will delay your goal to financial freedom. And this is not affecting only you, but also your family and friends to not be able to help them in case of an emergency. This level of mindset takes some time and practice, but the more you do this with your money, the easier it becomes. Most people don't pay attention to their money, so they end up spending it on impulsive buying or making bad decisions. Don't live by your salary until it's gone and then wind up crying that you don't have a salary big enough to save from. On the day your income is in your bank account, try to put aside any amount you're comfortable with and never touch it until you have enough to invest in something. Even if that is one book or a cooking class that could help save more money in the future for not ordering too many dinners. This way, after you put aside some money, you must manage to live with the remainder of the salary for the rest of the month. Maybe it will be hard to do it for the first few months. That's why it is important to put aside as much as you can and get comfortable with that amount. Doing so, you will not overspend like the months and years before and realize that all you need is a little bit of discipline and some patience. I will leave you with a good tip that also can help you stop buying lots of useless stuff. Try to do this. Try to take out your bank account from any kind of platforms you can spend money with just one touch of a button. You will find that if your bank account is not connected with a site that you easily can buy with one click, you'll buy less and less worthless stuff. And at the end of the month, you'll have more money in your bank account than you could think of. That's all for today, guys. Please don't forget to like and comment your thoughts. Share it with your friends and family. Subscribe and hit the notification bell icon for more videos like this about savings, personal growth, investments, and more topics that will change your lifestyle, wealth, and, of course, in the end, your net worth and achieving financial freedom.